Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your teacher, your mentor. So guys, in this video, I will tell about the study plan or strategy how we can complete the CMA Inter paper number 7 direct taxation. Yes guys, and the study plan on how we can get the exemption 60 plus in direct taxation. So guys, I will tell in this video the important chapter. First, I would like to tell the important and easy chapter. So first, because direct taxation is a vast syllabus. So first you need to complete and have command on those topics which are very easy and high mark in the exam. So let's discuss one by one. So guys, so first of all, I would like to tell about the residential status chapter, which is very easy and always come in the exam. Mostly in the come in the exam. So direct taxation, residential status in direct taxation is the most important chapter. Income from house property, income from other sources, and first of all, I would like to sell residential status chapter. So guys, come to the content. Income under the salary is very easy chapter. Salary is a easy chapter and you can easily done the salary chapter. Okay guys, PGBP is a too much important chapter, but too much time consuming. PGBP and capital gain. So I will suggest residential status one chapter, house property. Yes, income from other source, very easy. Set up and carry forward. Yes guys, this is the important chapter. This is very easy, but always come in the exam. TDS, deduction and TDS is the most important for CMA direct taxation exam. Deduction and TDS, deduction and TDS. So guys, deduction, TDS, income from other source, income from house property, residential status. These are very simple chapters, and you will easily get and score exemption in CMA Inter direct taxation. So what I have tell you till now, income from salary, PGBP you can do later. PGBP is too important and too lengthy chapter, but after completing the small chapters, you can go to the PGBP and capital gain. I will. It is my recommendation to you. First, you need to complete a small chapter, which is high score in the exam. Then you go through the PGBP and capital gain. These two chapters are very high time consuming. It will take too much time to complete these chapters, and after in revision it will take too much time. So guys, yes, you need to complete this chapter. Tax collection at source, one day chapter, very easy. Assessment procedure, very easy theoretical subject. And income computation and disclosure standard. These are also important. This is theoretical, or there are some like you can say that key concept based theories. It will come from this chapter. Income computation and disclosure standards. Written and pen theoretical portion, advanced tax collection. So one day, 2 day chapter. These are assessment position. Theoretical you can easily do. So guys, these are the most important chapters. Yes, I am accepting that PGBP and capital gain are very important, but too lengthy and too time consuming. So I will again suggest that first complete small chapter which are high mark in the exam. Okay guys, less time consuming, high mark in the exam. Capital gain in PGBP, it will take too much time. After completing these basic chapters, you will go through the small big chapters like PGBP and capital gain. Deduction in computing total income, which is very important. I have told that TDS deduction also important topic. So guys, I hope you like this video. This is all about how we can get easily exemption in, and the strategy to complete easy chapter. First of all, okay, residential status, income from house property, income from salary, TDS deduction. Then you can come with the capital gain, PGBP. So I have told that basic concept. One or 2 days it will take. Agriculture income, yes, 1 or 2 days, small chapter. Income which do not form part of income, yes, small chapter. PGBP is a lengthy chapter, but it is a high mark in exam. Income under the head capital gain, yes, it is a time consuming, but you need to go through at the end when you complete the basic chapters. Income from other sources, very easy chapter. set off and carry forward easy, two or 4 or 5 class it will take. Deduction, very important chapter. Every time, very important chapter in CMA Inter Direct Taxation. Tax collection, 1 day class. Advanced tax, important 2 or 3. Advanced tax, return and paying. These are the small chapters. PGBP and capital gain will take too much time. And okay, guys, hope you like this video. This is the strategy plan. You first of all, you would I will suggest that you should go small chapters which are high portion in the exam. After that, you will go to the long chapters like capital gain, PGBP. Okay, guys, and these are the small chapters like advanced tax, return and paying. You can do one day or 2 day, and this will sufficient. So guys, I hope this you will like this video. After watching this video, in your mind, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will suggest you how you can complete the particular topic or subject. Okay, guys, and that's all about in this video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Keep studying and keep enjoying.